Hi guys, VST here, Benefits Tech. You're here not for my swan socks, but because you've seen the title, and the title is that we have another update on the Samsung One UI Home. Alright, now forget what you see here. This is here my native language, the Bulgarian. There are three important updates, and I think actually one is something that we can really test and see. So the first thing, guys, just look. Alright, I'm gonna do like this, pinch out to zoom, gonna go to settings, and we can just see that the version right now is updated to 12.1.0.15. Now, if you don't get this update into the Samsung Galaxy Store, I'm gonna be linking it down below into the video description. So you're gonna find a link to the APK, try it. This is only for One UI 3.0 and One UI 3.1. So I repeat, if you have One UI 3.0 and 3.1, you should be able to install it directly from the Galaxy Store. But for some reason, if you wanna try out the APK, it's gonna be into the video description, all right? Now, let me just swipe up a bit, and here it is, guys. See, folder grid, right? This is probably the most important option. The native one is 3x4. Let me show you something. If I open my Google folder, we see here that I have a row of 3 icons, another row, another 3 icons, and I can get in total 4 rows with 3 icons, meaning 12 icons. But look what happens when I go back and change the folder grid to 4x4. Now, simple mathematics, teach means cool means 4x4 is 16, boom. Here you are. This is definitely the better option, and you can sneak in more icons. Let me just show you something, guys. In the Samsung folder, right, I had so many icons, it was so crowded before. Actually, let me show you how this looked before. When I go to settings and I adjust it back to 3x4, every time I open my Samsung folder, it looked like this, right? But right now with the new folder grid 4x4, it will really have a better look. The second thing from the changelog is that they apparently improved the gesture handling. Honestly, I never had a problem with this, right? Now, I'm not sure how this translates, because for me it was always smooth, you know, like what Poco Team are saying, smooth AF, right? Smooth and fast, right? Don't think about something cursey here, so smooth and fast. So I don't really think that something really better happened here. For me, it was always smooth and fast. And again, the Exynos 2100, although it's an Exynos, performs quite well. So this is the second improvement here. And the third one, of course, is system stability. Now, for one to be able to assess the system stability changes without proper changelog, you need to have the crystal ball, and I don't have a crystal ball here. So the most important update, guys, from this update from the launcher and the Home One UI screen is the folder grid 4x4. And I'm gonna use this happily ever after that. And I really hope, guys, that you like videos like this. If that's the case, subscribe. And I promise to maybe speak slower. With that said, you know what happens. Stay safe. We're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. VST, over and bye.